A lot can happen in the course of 1 year, and it usually does. As things around us change, we change too. Our priorities shift, our goals evolve. Because life isn't static, your finances aren't either. That's why an annual review is so important. It's a time to get together and look back at what's happened in the past year. Evaluate how it could affect your future. Then make adjustments to get you back on track to help you achieve your goals. We'll ask the key questions about your personal finances that need to be answered each year. We start with how your investments are performing. We'll compare your portfolio's performance against market benchmarks. Does your asset allocation meet your current investment needs and preferences? We may recommend rebalancing your portfolio if changes in your timelines or risk tolerance suggest modifications. Has your tax rate changed? We'll examine whether there are tax-efficient strategies that may boost your after-tax returns. How well are you managing your personal debt? We'll offer strategies to reduce your debt load or lower your interest rates. Does your personal retirement plan still reflect your priorities? We'll make recommendations and adjustments if necessary based on your future lifestyle goals. Have your insurance needs changed? Do your beneficiary designations need to be updated? We'll evaluate your requirements to assess whether you are properly protected with the appropriate products. We'll review your will and estate plan and note any items you may want to discuss with your personal attorney, especially if family changes have taken place in the past year. Your annual review is a yearly financial checkup that can give you a 360-degree picture of you. We'll answer the questions about where you are today so you can stay on track towards where you want to be tomorrow.